Okay, so I got a bag off of Amazon that had the description in one picture. Yes, you understand. I understand it might look like a more expensive bag. Let's find out. All right, 2 layers down. Okay, another layer down. Sorry, I don't have a GoPro, so I have to either pause it pretty much or figure out doing things with one hand. Okay, kind of getting this done with one hand. Ooh, there's a lot of stuffing. All right. It came with the cover. All right. I feel dizzy. I don't think it's. I wouldn't know from a reel, I suppose, but I don't think it's supposed to be blurry like that. Okay. Alright, it kind of looks like the one on the website. I forgot what it's called, but look it up. I mean, I don't. I'm pretty. Yeah, this is not. It's not leather. But it's cute, like the. I mean, and I'm not a huge fan of yellow golds, but I mean, it's cute. Let's see what the inside looks like. I don't know. It's kind of squished. I don't think it's supposed to be squished like that on the sides. I don't know. I also don't know how to open this. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So, okay. Yeah, this is I have faux leather right here. So it's like a thicker faux leather, I guess. I'm pretty sure. Not leather, but what the inside looks like. I don't know. Well, they're kind of trying. It says Gucci, but I'm sure not as like defined as a real one. Let's see. What does this say here? Okay. There's my receipt. Cool. Oh, look, I bought it in Fifth Avenue. Hey. How about that? I'm fancy. I totally spent that much money. Cool. All right.